In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a payment method inside of Beacons AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to beacons.ai like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, it should look something like this inside of the dashboard. Here, you'll need to go down to the settings page down here in the menu, and from here, you'll need to go down to payments. Now from here, you can see the payment providers, and there are three payment providers that Beacons AI support. The first one is Stripe, then there's PayPal, and then you can do your own bank account. If you want to choose Stripe, you'll need to click connect over here. Then from here, you'll need to write in your email address for your Stripe account. And once you do that, you need to click continue. And then from here, you can click in your password. Down here, you'll also be able to sign in with Google if you want to do that. From here, once you've done that, you'll simply need to click connect over here. And then from here, Beacons AI and Stripe will be connected. The exact same thing is with PayPal, where you can click connect over here. And under bank accounts, if you click edit over here, you'll find every single detail that you will need to put into your Beacons AI account so you can connect your bank account to Beacons AI. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!